Yep.
Okay, go ahead.
Good morning. I'm Andres Morales, Chamber Ambassador with the Watertown Area Chamber of Commerce. We are excited to cut the ribbon and welcome Earth Angel Sound Healing and Energy Guidance to the Watertown Area Chamber. Earth Angel Sound Healing and Energy Guidance is located at the market on 210 South Water Street in Suite E. Earth Angel offers gentle, powerful approach to healing, combining Usui Reiki, crystal and Tibetan singing bowls, and intuitive energy work to support the body, mind, and spirit. With a focus on clearing trapped emotions, opening chakras, and restoring balance, Earth Angel holds sacred space for those on their personal healing journeys. On the count of 3, we will cut the ribbon and welcome Earth Angel Sound Healing and Energy Guidance to the Watertown Area Chamber of Commerce. 1, 2, and 3.